Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. Digital air fryer from Silvercrest. Fries without needing to add oil or fat. LED touchscreen display with 8 preset programs. Temperature control from 80 to 200 degrees Celsius. Timer from 0 to 60 minutes. Max capacity 2.4 liters. Max French fries 640 grams. Power consumption 1400 watts. With a 3 years warranty. Healthy, delicious and fast. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Small, compact, portable. You can have it with you anywhere. Of course you need power. Glossy, includes we have in the manual. The power cord length is 1 meter. Pull to remove the basket. Here we have the safety cover, front, press this button and remove the basket. This is the frying basket. You can wash it of course. Here it says max capacity. Maximum filling level it is 2.4 liters. But for the French fries it is only 640 grams. Same goes and for other foods. You need to check the manual for each food what is the maximum capacity. And of course you can wash in this basket, very easy. Silicone rubber here. It locks. Press this button to unlock and remove. It is an iLac non-stick material. You can even remove this mess and clean it. Press and it will lock. And the main unit, we have the heating element inside here, 1400 watts, ventilation at the bottom, silicone rubber, it will stay very secure at any surface. Ventilation at the back, cable management for storage. Nice, I like it. Or if you don't want all the cable, you can adjust the cable at the desired length. And of course at the front we have the display. Black glossy color. So let's plug it in and see how it works. We have a sound, touch display and touch buttons, on-off button, 180 degrees Celsius, 15 minutes, you can adjust that. With a timer, you can adjust the minutes. I like the touch buttons. Maximum 60 minutes. Minimum 1 minute. The temperature touch button, 180 degrees, you can adjust, up and down button. Maximum 200 degrees Celsius and minimum 80 degrees Celsius. And with the on-off button you can start. The fan icon is flashing. We can see the minutes and the temperature. Is heating up. If I will open the container, it will pause. We can see it's flashing. And then resume. And of course we can pause with the touch button, go at the timer and increase the timer if you want, or go at the temperature and decrease the temperature or increase, and resume. Now we can see 5 minutes, 190 degrees Celsius. Pause, press and hold, it will stop, and the fan it will keep working for a few seconds. On again, menu button, frozen French fries, optimal quantity is 350 grams, maximum quantity 640 grams. Preset time it is 20 minutes, you can adjust from 1 minute to 60 minutes, and preset temperature 180 degrees Celsius. Next we have the bacon, 10 minutes and 180 degrees Celsius, preset. You can adjust all the settings. Starting. You can go at the timer, adjust, or temperature, adjust. Pause, resume. And now you have 190 degrees Celsius for 13 minutes. Press and hold, off, on again. Next, it is the poultry in pieces. Optional quantity 4 pieces, by default 22 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. Next we have the shrimps, 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes by default, and again you can adjust all that. Next it is the steaks, chops, 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Muffins, cakes and baked goods, 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Vegetables, optional quantity 750 grams for 180 degrees Celsius, 22 minutes. And we can listen the fan, it stops after a few minutes. And the last one is fish, 180 degrees Celsius for 14 minutes. And for my first meal I will use this steak. It barely fits inside, it is a little bit hot. Nice. Menu, and we need steak. 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Start. Now let's check in the middle of the time how well is cooked. And I will turn the meat around and resume. It's ready. Nice and juicy. You can wash it very well under the water, no worries. Clean and ready to use. Let's try with chicken, frozen chicken. And I will use the manually program, 15 minutes, of course I can adjust, for 180 degrees. Start. It's ready. Nice! I like the color. Beautiful. And next, Alaska pollock fillet. It is frozen with Edam and herbs. (200 degrees), 16 minutes. So, if you are ready to embrace a healthier way to fry and want a reliable, easy to use air fryer that delivers consistent results, this digital air fryer is definitely one to consider adding to your countertop. Nice and crispy. Whether you are looking to cook healthier, speed up your meal prep, or just add a versatile appliance to your kitchen arsenal, the Silvercrest digital air fryer is an excellent choice. It offers fantastic performance and features for its affordable price point, only €45. Time for the French fries, 350 grams, to have the best results. Menu 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. With its powerful 1400 watts and rapid air circulation technology, the air fryer delivers delicious, crisp results for everything from fries and chicken wings to vegetables and even baked goods. You get that satisfying crunch with significantly less fat, making your meals a healthier choice. The intuitive digital display and preset programs make cooking a breeze, and cleanup is just as simple thanks to the non-stick dishwasher-safe basket. It's truly designed for everyday ease, helping you whip up quick meals and snacks without the mess or guilt of traditional deep frying. What's your go-to air fryer recipe? Or are you thinking to getting your first air fryer? Share your thoughts, questions and favorite air fryer tips in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from our cooking community. If this video helped you understand the digital air fryer better, please give us a big thumbs up. It really supports our channel. And for more honest reviews of kitchen gadgets, home appliances and cooking inspiration, make sure you are subscribed and have hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We are always here to help you whip up delicious meals with the best kitchen tech. Until next time, happy cooking and we'll see you in the next video.